Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Lovely steaming hot rice, plain dal, ghee on top, Vendakai kara Kuzhambu, Pumpkin Poriyal and Pudina raita. We'll see how to finish this entire cooking in 30 minutes. In today's menu, we have Pumpkin Poriyal, that is a yellow pumpkin stir fry, and I am planning to make Vendakai kara Kuzhambu, a kara Kuzhambu made with lady's finger. I have washed some Tubar dal along with 1 tablespoon of Moong dal and a little haldi powder and rice. We will cook the rice and dal together in our pressure cooker. Always arrange so that the dal is in the lower container, then it will cook very well. We will cook it for 3 whistles and switch it off. Side by side, we will make this Pumpkin Poriyal, that is the pumpkin fry. Heat a tablespoon of oil. Add mustard seeds, urad dal, 1 green chilli, a little bit of hing, a few curry leaves. When the urad dal changes color, add the chopped pumpkin pieces to it. Add a pinch of haldi powder, salt to taste, and a little bit of chilli powder. We have already added green chilli to it. Stir everything well. Just add a sprinkling of water. Cover it and cook till done. For the kara Kuzhambu, I have soaked a lemon-sized piece of tamarind and chopped the bindi, peeled a handful of small onions and a few pieces of garlic also peeled and kept ready. For the kara Kuzhambu, it's a good idea to take til oil, that is sesame or ginger oil as you call it. I am taking 3 spoons. While the oil is heating, take out the tamarind extract. You can use about 2 cups of water in all. Three sounds are over. I have switched off the cooker. Now we will come to our kara Kuzhambu. Add some mustard seeds, few methi seeds. Add in the peeled garlic and peeled onions to it. Next, add in the chopped lady's finger or okra and let everything fry well in the oil. I shifted the cooker to the countertop and brought the sabji here so that it is more convenient. See, the pumpkin is also well cooked and all the water is absorbed. So this is done. We can switch this off. Maybe just add in some fresh grated coconut on top. If you like, you can add a little bit of jaggery to this, but this pumpkin is already sweet, so I am not adding. Pumpkin Poriyal done and ready. See, our vegetables have also fried in the oil. Now add a few curry leaves. Add some turmeric powder. This is my homemade sambar powder. So I am adding about 2 teaspoons. A little bit of hing and half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. That is just for the added color. The spice comes from our homemade sambar powder. Now mix all the vegetables and masalas well. Next, add in the required quantity of salt. Now pour in this tamarind extract. Now let it all boil together over a medium flame and this has to thicken more and come to the right consistency. So while we are waiting for our kara kolambu to get ready, we will make some mint, that is Pudina raita, in keeping with this summer heat. So here I am just taking a little bit of our fresh homemade curd. Now whisk it well. Grind a few Pudina leaves, make a paste, add it to this beaten curd, add a pinch of pink salt and a pinch of roasted jeera powder and mix everything well together. Now just heat a teaspoon of oil and we'll do a tempering with some mustard seeds and one small green chilli finely chopped. Pour this tempering on top of the raita. A very flavorful mint or Pudina raita is now ready. Now see, our kara kolambu is also bubbling away very well and it has reached the correct consistency. It will thicken a little bit more on cooling. Some people like to add one ripe tomato to this while frying the onions and bindi, but because I had sufficient quantity of tamarind, I did not add tomato. If you are adding tomato, reduce your tamarind quantity. Now switch it off. This is also ready. Now the cooker's pressure has also released. So we will remove the rice and dal from it. Rice is ready. Dal is also cooked very well. I am just mashing the dal a little bit. I don't know the logic or science behind this, but what I have found in my experience is, if I add a spoon of moong dal to my tuvar dal, then the tuvar dal also gets cooked to a very lovely creamy consistency like this. Just add a pinch of salt. This is for the plain dal or kalati parupu. And mix it well. As always, we offer a naivedya. So our lunch for the day is ready. Yellow pumpkin or Pumpkin Poriyal, Vendakai or bindi, kara kolambu, Pudina raita, plain rice and dal. Lovely steaming hot rice, plain dal, ghee on top, Vendakai kara kolambu, Pumpkin Poriyal and Pudina raita. It has taken me about 30 minutes to complete this cooking. Add another 10 minutes for cleaning and chopping the vegetables, and our lunch is ready and done for the day. Do try out this traditional South Indian lunch and share it with your family and friends. Subscribe to Gita's Kitchen. Thank you for watching the video, and we'll meet again in the next episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.